Yes, I am Denise Newton Fitzpatrick. I was just making a video, and this screen, some kind of a PC cleaner popped up in the middle of it, and I did not know if that was covering my screen, and people would not be able to see my face. But when I ended the video because of that, a little bit ago, I saw my video and I listened to the video, and I saw that that pop-up screen does not affect the view. If someone's listening to the video, they don't see that pop-up thing. So I wasn't quite finished, even though I'm trying to keep the videos that I make to amend them. I don't want them to be too long, where people don't finish listening. So it was a good length of talking, I think, when that popped up. But I am coming back right now because I do want to say that PROV319 also has a sort of like a bonus incentive program. And I will explain that too, how that works. I did last week send out a bonus to someone in regards to the coming PROV19, but it was a reason for doing that was something mixed up in whether they subscribe. It has something to do with some things, but again, PROV319 will has a bonus incentive. Now, when I say bonus incentive, so people wonder, well, there's going to be some kind of ways I can make some money or something by participating in the talk show or subscribing to the YouTube channel or something. This woman is talking about a bonus incentive. Is she going to be paying people to participate? No. But there is a bonus incentive that I will be talking about at some point before the program takes place. Right now, I am in a situation of inviting people, businesses, companies, you name it, to the talk show. And this is why it hasn't started yet, because it's taken some time. It will be advertised on Eventbrite, in the Facebook event page, Facebook events coming up and all of that. And that will be, it's free. There's going to be tickets, free tickets or something. Maybe Eventbrite has a little area where you can offer the free tickets, or you can pay and all of that. And of course, it's free, the talk show. So that's going on, and I am looking for, of course, yes, I was wondering before, and I should have been wondering. I should have known that people can just come in, like, the video, people that live in whatever, New York or something, they can, with this modern technology, they can just come in and you bring them in and they talk then, as far as in replies or comments. And then, of course, we know there's a way that you can actually be sitting there and seeing all the people's, you've got Skype, you got a whole bunch of Google Hangouts, you got a Zoom and all of that. So, of course, I was wondering, can people from out why I was wondering that, I don't know, because I do know with modern technology, people can be as though they're sitting right here because of this technology. I think it's awesome and I love it. So that is the case there. And like I said, I just want to come back in and say a little bit more for a few minutes. I want to mention about the incentive bonus being a part of the PROV319. And of course, I can't reiterate enough the importance, especially people that are interested in people's rights, their own rights, and that I can't even say it enough to encourage people or ask people to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And again, I'm seeing where YouTube's telling me you have a subscriber, but I'm not seeing the count adding up. I'm seeing my count stay at 8. It was stayed at 7. Then it did go up and stayed at 8, but then I'm seeing people's names, seeing 2 people's names. So there's something going on with that I need to get understood and corrected, because I do want to see who the people are that is subscribing. And if someone does subscribe, then I would like, I'm asking if they would send me in my inbox, let me know that they did subscribe, and that would be greatly appreciated. But I do hope that people take this program seriously, because it isn't something that we expect to be just a little old something talking on Facebook. We expect it to skyrocket as soon as, it's really going. And we have an organization now called, I've mentioned before in a video, called Ruby's Visions, which is an incorporation. It's a limited liability corporation and LLC. And that person has contacted me and does want and is going to, participate on the talk show. We really want people organizations and businesses to advertise their business with Denise and Julian's talk show. We want them to do that. That's very important because that can, of course, bring more attention to what we are doing as we stand up for the rights of others, and it will also, perhaps, it's going to, they will, in order for, free advertising, some of their services could be beneficial to the channel, to the work that we're doing, as in exchange for the free advertisement. So I am also working on right now getting more organizations to know about it and what it can do for them and for us, as I believe in scratching each other's backs. You don't find people to do that much. A lot of people are more interested in grabbing a lot of money and looking out for themselves, and how sad that is, because they don't realize that the real answer and help for them is when they help others. But of course, everyone does not know that and does not see things that way. So that's sad. But so the program, I'm real excited about PROV319 because of it being an organization that's not running after or greedy for money. It's more of an organization that wants to help people and expose wrongdoings. I think the people that do wrong, people that cause people damages in their lives, people that cause people unnecessary suffering, people that cause people problems when they can't sleep or when they're stressed out. I think those I call them monsters. I think those kind of monsters should be, exposed. They should be exposed. And also, I'm going to say this: I look forward to a lot of good things. I look forward with PROV319 and the talk show and the YouTube channel, they're in conjunction with each other. I look for the I have a lot on my mind. Train of thought. I just slipped what I was going to say. It'll come back to me now. I hate that does that just then. You're going to say something, such a thing, train of thought. But I am looking for a lot of good things to come out of PROV319. I don't doubt that it will. I know that it will, because it's not a greed for money, and it's doing something to help others is what it's doing. It's going to grow. Things are going to get better. It's going to be software. It's going to look prettier, and the YouTube channel, all of that stuff to attract the eye, and and all of that. So I am excited about that, and I hope that I want other people to be motivated about PROV319. Last night I made a video pretty late last night, and I really liked the people that came in. It was a watch party, and there may be another watch party tonight. There may be a late night talk thing going on YouTube, where people are staying up late, can't sleep or whatever, have something on their mind, they want to vent talk, especially about, I'm always looking for, talk about that injustice. Well, you got that going on, talk about, So that may be going on late tonight on the YouTube channel. I don't know if it will or not. It did go on last night, but it wasn't 11, as I had said. It was later on. And, of course, no one came in, and I got sleepy, and I said some things about what I have done in the past and do. You'll also notice on my Facebook page, I have a couple old posts from 2013 when the Wake County wanted to stop a food distribution, a long-time food distribution of feeding the homeless people in a local park. And that article made the Time magazine, and then I spoke in front of the city council then, Wake County, Raleigh City Council, along with other speakers, about why these people should still be able to feed in that park. And then we had a task force for the homeless, and of course I become a member of that, and I dropped out when, to me, the task force allowed the city to do that of which they were supposed to be standing against the city doing, or fighting to keep the city from doing. They ended up siding with the city against what they, on their own, and I thought, it's time for me to walk, because I'm a fighter, it's time for me to walk. But anyway, those old posts are on there just to show how serious that we have been and are about standing up for the rights of others, their civil rights. We all have civil rights. So please subscribe, and to subscribe, again, you'll click onto a video and you won't see the big word subscribe pop up, but you'll see a little, in the lower right hand, I've said this before, in the lower right hand corner, you'll see a little box with the same picture that's on my Facebook page. Families belong together. It's me and Julian leaning on one another. That little bitty box is a watermark. That is what you click on to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We greatly appreciate it if you do, because you're not just helping me and Julian, you're helping others when you subscribe. Whether you subscribe or not, we appreciate you listening to a video. If you don't listen to a video, we will grow at any rate. You would help us, that would be great, but we're going to grow, and we know that we are, because we're going to reach, at some of those videos have millions of viewers, and they're YouTubers, and we're going to get there too, because what we're doing is a lot different than what many are doing. Many are talking, and I guess a lot of them are just trying to, get a lot of money made and all of that, but we are, and if we do, as it grows, it will be put into victims of housing discrimination first, and then also victims then of other injustices. That is what we are supposed to do. That is what we will do in order to give glory and honor to Supreme God. That is what we strive to do in everything that we do. Denise Fitzpatrick, advocate for the mentally ill and also the homeless in regard to legal housing discrimination. Also join my Victims of Housing Discrimination page, if you would, Facebook. I have a lot of other groups I've been working on. I wish I could delete them. It's like you can't delete them. But I would like to delete a couple of those other ones that I'm really not, I was too busy to fool with them. But Victims of Housing Discrimination is one of my pages that is my main page. And then, of course, the live talk show is it's awesome. So, again, we're going to go down, and subscribe, please. Help us out to help others. There's no real harm in that. And sharing is caring. It doesn't cost you any money. It takes just a minute or so to do that, to help someone else. You can't go wrong helping others. You really can't. Have a good day. Goodbye now.